guys, and I'm so glad you joined me, because I wanted to bring this Thursday's message into reality. It says, and in Luke 12:48, and when someone has been entrusted with much, even more will be required. And I wanted to jump again at that concept of required. The first one, it says, it's required in return. This one simply stops at more will be required. It seems to be that whatever you've been given has to now be reinvested. If you are the investment, now you must take the investment of your life and reinvest it in the works, in the plan, in the will of Almighty God, so that at the end of the day, when it's called back for, when the more is called for, when the more, so it means what you've been given, there's got to be some things added to it. There's got to be some things that you utilize to increase value, to increase content. You're not going to make the gift bigger or better, but if you work the gift, you can bring the impact and influence that God intended. Oh, you're hearing me all right? So now you're looking about, because every day God presents several opportunities, several, not an opportunity, several opportunities for us to make indelible investments in people's lives, to see God be glorified and to see them benefit from the gift, from the from the entrusted portion that God has given to you. You should be able to do this with excellence for the honor and glory of God. Now, look out for some opportunities today. I challenge you, look out for some opportunities today. According to what Caiaphas said to Jesus, I adjure you, look out for some opportunities today, because they're going to come like a flood once you're paying attention. Hey guys, see you tomorrow, God's willing. God bless.